Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at two Carrier 4-ton Infinity variable speed condensers. They are 18 plus SEER, and the model number is 24VNA949A003. As always, please hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content just like this. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of these. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to answer your questions. Also, we are located in Anaheim, California. So if you are near us in the area, we'd love to give you an estimate on a new Carrier heating and air conditioning system if you would like, on something like this or any other Carrier product. Call us at 714-526-6368 or visit us at albertair.com. So let's take a look at these systems. I'm going to go over some features, benefits, and let you know a little bit about the rebate information that a lot of people are into these days. So these are both 4-ton variable speed condensers. The 24VNA9 is 18 SEER and it has 5 speeds. So it has from low all the way to high. It starts at 25% capacity all the way up to 100% capacity. And the system decides what speed to run at based on the temperature, humidity outside, which there is a sensor right down there, and then there's a sensor obviously inside on the thermostat. So that's how it decides what speeds to run at. These are going to be 18 SEER, like I said, and other sizes that can differ. So compared to an old single stage system, these are a lot more efficient. They're going to be a lot more comfortable, a lot more even temperatured in your house. Most customers will see anywhere from 30% or higher on their energy bills being reduced when using a variable speed system. They're also very quiet. I have this condenser right now. It's actually running in a dehumidification mode. That means it's on the lowest speed and it's taking humidity out of the air because it's sensed way too high a humidity in the house. So it's an automatic dehumidification mode. So let's hear that again. This is probably around 59 decibels. You can actually barely hear it, but it is on, it's working. Actually, it looks like it just went off, so it's just finishing its cycle. Now this condenser right here, we just finished this one this morning, so this one is actually still running. This is gonna be at a higher speed because we did set it really far down on the temperature scale to get it running. So this will be running at the upper echelon of that decibel range. This is gonna be right around about 70 to 72 decibels. Let's hear that. So still extremely quiet, very quiet. So when these systems move up and down in speeds, that also means the indoor blower on the furnace is moving up and down in speed. So not only are you going to get a quieter outside condenser, but inside the furnace will be a lot quieter too, especially on the lower speeds. That means lower blower speeds on the furnace, so that intake that you hear will lower that sound as well. So the best way to set up these variable speed condensers is to set it and forget it. A lot of people that had a single stage condenser have a lot of temperature spikes. That means it just comes on high and goes off, comes on high and goes off. Whereas these, say you set it to 76 degrees, once it hits 76 degrees, it's just going to maintain temperature. It's not ever going to go back to a high speed. It's going to stay in that range of those low speeds, taking more humidity out of the air and making sure it's very even and comfortable throughout your house. Your energy bills will be a lot lower because of that. You won't have to run them as long because of that. So all in all, it's a great system for someone who wants to run it a little more, wants more humidity out of the air, wants to make sure their energy bills are a lot better than what they are with those old systems. They want a quiet unit outside, they want a quiet unit inside, and these will accomplish all that. Finally, the rebate information on these. They get a Carrier Cool Cash instant rebate of $1,150 each. So one for that one for that one, totaling $2,300 in instant rebates, which is awesome. That comes right off the top of on the invoice. And then you can also get these to qualify for the $600 federal tax credit, which is done at the end of the year with your tax professional. So I think these are a great system. If you are interested in getting an estimate for one of these, like I said, we are in the Anaheim, California area. If you're located near us, give us a call at 714-526-6368 or visit us at albertair.com. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, as I will have more videos like this. I will be putting up a video showing the furnaces that we did in the attic that match with this, and some of the ductwork that we had to do to make this system work perfectly for our customer. Thank you for watching.